Hi everyone and welcome to another video from Danka Praktik. In this video we'll show you how to use the tow hook on your car. It's very simple to learn and is necessary if you have to tow the car for some reason. So stay tuned.
Danka Praktik.
If you want to see our other videos that may help you around the car, click on the links in the description and watch our videos on how to check the engine oil, coolant, washer fluid and else. So, why is this important anyway? Well, knowing how to use and install a tow hook is in fact one of the most important things to know as a driver. Without this knowledge, you probably won't be able to tow the car if it for some reason breaks down. So, you could be, in certain situations, if your car breaks down, left helpless or stranded without knowing this. The first thing you should know regarding this matter is where are the tow points on your car. There are usually 2 points, in the front and in the rear of the car. These tow points may be hidden or clearly visible. If they are hidden, they are usually behind the bumper, hidden under a protective plastic cap that you have to take off when mounting the tow hook. This is what we'll be showing in this video. If the tow point is visible, it usually looks like a big metal O-ring sticking from under the bumper or directly from the bumper. Know that these points are made specifically for towing and hooking up the tow cable. If you use other spots on the car for towing, it may result in damaging the car. Another important thing to know is where the tow hook is stored in your car. The usual location is in the trunk, somewhere near the spare tire or tire repair set, and the car's tool set for changing the spare tire. It may also be in the side compartments, but in any case, the trunk is the first place to look at. Now for the actual procedure. First, get the tow hook from the trunk. Next, find the place where the tow hook is supposed to be mounted. The mount usually looks like a thread that you can screw the tow hook into. If you have problems finding it, look at the user manual of your car or look on the internet. For your car specifically, you'll find it for sure. While showing this, our kitten was hiding in the bumper while we were making the video. Although this is funny, we would use this opportunity to warn about animals in the engine bay and around the car. If you have animals running around the house, always try to pay attention. Back to the tow hook, remove the plastic cover or in this case the plastic cover grill. These caps or covers are usually easy to remove and are meant to be removed on the road if needed. Insert the tow hook and now comes the most important part. Usually threads are meant to be screwed by turning them clockwise. Most hooks, like this one, are counterclockwise. If you don't know this, you can end up not being able to mount the hook and not know the reason. So insert the hook and turn counterclockwise until the thread reaches the end. And that's it, simple as that, the tow hook is mounted. It's exactly the same procedure for mounting the tow hook in the rear part of the car if the tow point is hidden. After this, you can connect the towing cable and tow the car. When you're finished towing, just do everything in reverse. Unscrew the tow hook, turn it clockwise, remove it, and return the protective mask back into place. So, as you've seen, one of the easiest things to do is to learn how to install a tow hook. Once more, know the tow points and where the hook is in your car, remove the protective cap or cover, and screw the tow hook into place. It all takes a couple of minutes to do, and again, may make the difference between getting yourself out of trouble and being left stranded. Without a tow hook, safe towing is much more harder and sometimes even impossible. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.